everyone, welcome to Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha Golf Nancy. So today I'm going to make some homemade pumpkin pie creamer. I love having creamer in my coffee and I miss having it, so we're going to make some together. So here we go. Now I'm going to use a cup of almond milk. You can use regular milk. If you want a soy milk or something like that, and it calls for condensed milk, but right now we're not using condensed milk, and I'll make a video about how to make condensed milk, but we do have the country crock plant creamer, so I'm going to add shake this up some. Sitting in the back of the fridge, so it kind of, in the back of the fridge, everything freezes. So I'm gonna add a cup of this. All right, there we go. And then we get a whisk. So I'm going to start stirring this together. I know that looks funny. There we go. Alrighty. So as that's coming up, it says to add, was like a half a cup of pumpkin, 3 tablespoons of pumpkin. So we're going to add our pumpkin over here. Look at the big can because we're going to be using all kinds of stuff with this. Now I may add a little bit more than 3 tablespoons of pumpkin. We'll see how this goes. Two. And 3. We're going to start stirring this because I don't want to scorch the bottom of the pan. And then you add your spice blend. And I made some homemade pumpkin spice. So we're going to add some of this in here. It said 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Add that in there. And then we'll taste it here in a little bit. And then it said add vanilla. There we go. Now I do have some homemade vanilla that should be not quite ready, but I probably could use one of them. So when I go to open that, everything, I will show y'all what that looks like. Now this is looking really good. There we go. Oh, it smells so good. So I'm going to let that come to a boil. And you can supposed to simmer. I'm impatient right now. I really want this creamer. But you let it simmer until it reduces about 1/4 to 1/2 away, because then it makes it creamier. And so, but I want some now. You can also add like, because if you have milk powder, I do have coconut milk powder. Let's see how that will work. So if you want some, you know, added benefits of coconut, you can do that. But that will probably change the flavor of what you want. We'll see. I'm like, is 3 tablespoons of pumpkin enough? I don't know. And it's starting to boil. Alright, so we're going to turn this down. So I don't want it to overdo. I'm going to kind of froth these up. Whee! Take out the light. Keep stirring. Oh, that all starting to smell so good. It's coming together. Oh yeah, definitely. So I'm gonna turn that down on low because it's still see, I want that pumpkin flavor. Well, let's add a little bit more. So we're gonna, whoops. I didn't wipe that off. Well, we'll use this spot first. And then we'll get that spot right there. That was 2. Oh, we'll add 1 more. We'll put 6 in here. Oh yeah, look at that color. Alrighty. That's looking really good. And if you want to add more spice to it and everything, you can. This you might, you know, they call for allspice. Allspice has your blend of cloves, the cinnamon to nutmeg in it and everything. So it doesn't give you a ratio how much is in each. So you can add more of your pumpkin spice, or if you want to, you can add a couple of dashes of your allspice. Mix that really well. And the fun thing of making it your own, you make it the way you want to make it. You know what your taste is. And I want mine to be really pumpkin taste. And see how that's really starting to thicken up. But I'm going to pour some of my coffee because I want to taste it now. I got a fresh cup of coffee. We're going to do this not over the light. Oh, yeah, look at that. Make sure nothing drips on that light. Give it a nice stir. I'll move y'all over here. That looks so good. Like I said, and you let it reduce and simmer, reduce a little bit more, it becomes thicker. That's what I was researched. Oh, it's good. Oh, it's so good. Maybe a little bit more spice to it. You know, add some more spice to it. Because it still seems like it's missing something. So I'll probably add, I'm going to add a little bit more pumpkin spice to it. And just stir that in. Add a teaspoon, 2 more teaspoons I like having flavor. So there we go. Now I'm just gonna mix it all up, let it cool and everything, and there we go. So thank y'all for watching. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all, and we'll see you next time on Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha Golf Nancy.